Hola people, welcome to Your Shares. In this video, we are going to learn something vital and interesting topic in programming language. Yes, we will learn about data types. What is the use of data types? We know that when you assign a value for a variable, some memory will be allocated. But how much? We cannot allocate same memory to different types of data like integers, decimals, characters, strings, etc. It results in memory waste, right? Yeah. To solve this problem, we got data types. Data types tells the processor what to expect and space to be reserved for it. Int type. As the name suggests, it stores only integer values. It takes 2 bytes of memory for a 32-bit operating system and 4 bytes for a 64-bit operating system. So it can store values of the range minus 32,768 to 32,767 for 2 bytes of memory, minus 2,147,483,648 to 2,147,483,647 for 4 bytes of memory. Int data type is further divided into two types: short int, long int. Short int takes 2 bytes of memory, whereas long int takes 4 or 8 bytes of memory depending on the operating system. Float data type. It stores only fractional values in it. 4 bytes of memory is allocated for that. It stores values of the range 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 38 to 3.4 into 10 to the power plus 38. Char type. It stores only characters in it. It occupies 1 byte of memory and range is minus 128 to 127. Double data type. It also stores decimal values but with more precision and range. It stores values of range 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 308 to 1.7 into 10 to the power plus 308. It takes 8 bytes of memory. Void data type. It takes 1 or 0 bytes of memory. It takes or returns nothing. Array type. Array type is a data type that represents a collection of elements of same type. An array can be integer type or character type. An array has to be declared like as shown in the example. Data type, array name, in square brackets you have to mention the size. For example, int a of 6. Now, an array will be created as it is an int data type. Each of the bits will be of 2 bytes like 1024, 1026, so on will be the addresses of those singular bytes. The indices will be mentioned starting from 0 to size minus 1. Now with that, we have got a good picture of the data types. Further, the data types are divided into signed and unsigned based on the values they store. Signed data types store negative, 0 and positive values. Unsigned data types store only 0 and positive values. Signed int range minus 32,768 to 32,767. Unsigned int range 0 to 65535. Signed short int range minus 32,768 to 32,767. Unsigned short int range 0 to 65535. Signed long int range minus 21474836482 214748367. Unsigned long int range 0 to 4294967295. Signed char range minus 128 to 127. Unsigned char range 0 to 255. But there are so many numbers to remember. Don't we have a simpler way to remember all the ranges? Yeah, there is. We can easily calculate ranges on the spot. For example, let's take int data type with 2 bytes of memory. We know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So 2 bytes is equal to 16 bits. Now we can store 1 or 0 in every bit. So there are two possibilities for every bit. So we can store 2 to the power 16 values in 2 bytes. 2 to the power 16 is equal to 65536. Dividing it with 2, that is 32,768. It means we can store values from minus 32,768 to 32,767. Format specifiers. Format specifiers helps us while reading or printing the data. They tell the compiler what type of data to be read or to be printed. Different data types have different format specifiers. For int, %d, char, %c, float, %f, double, %lf, long double, capital L F. With that information, we are all set to start our programs. With this sound knowledge of data types and all the C related things, we will be soon starting our programs in the coming videos. Thank you for watching. For many more interesting videos, please do subscribe, like, comment and share.